Were you already taping?
No.
Okay. Goddamn train. Anyway, here's what it looks like now. Switch kind of everything around. I put green on the right, red on the left front, and blue to the rear. And that stupid train. And we'll see if she flies. We'll self-level. Fire her up. Bring her to the right a little bit. Take her off. So she's not so bright at night now, huh?
Oh, I forgot to keep one on there. I was watching your thumbs.
This is it's not so bright now, so it's not so hard to keep an eye on it with the blue.
Brr. Luckily in here it looks still far away. Whoa.
Back her up a little bit. Bring her lander. Okay, you can turn it off.